Your belly isn't stubborn fat, it's stress trapped inside. You've been attacking symptoms while ignoring the real hidden cause. That cause silently shapes your body every single day. It controls hunger, energy, sleep, and fat storage patterns. And until you understand it, nothing will truly change. That hidden force is cortisol, your body's stress hormone. Today, you're going to finally understand how to control it. Because once you do, everything about fat loss becomes easier. Not harder, not stricter, just smarter and more effective. And it starts with changing how you see your problem. Most people believe fat loss is about calories and discipline. Eat less, move more, and results will eventually follow naturally. So you tried dieting harder and pushing workouts even further. Maybe you skipped meals or trained intensely every single day. But instead of results, you felt tired, hungry, and frustrated. Your belly stayed exactly where it was, maybe worse. That confusion slowly turns into self-doubt and blame. You start thinking maybe you're just not disciplined enough. But that belief is completely wrong and deeply unfair. Your body was never broken, it was responding to stress. Cortisol exists to protect you, not harm your body. It activates whenever your brain senses any kind of threat. That threat could be danger, pressure, or emotional overwhelm. Your brain doesn't distinguish between physical and mental stress. So emails, arguments, and anxiety trigger the same response. Your body prepares for survival, not fat loss or comfort. It releases energy quickly to help you handle danger. That energy comes from glucose released into your bloodstream. Then insulin steps in to store any unused energy. And it stores it exactly where cortisol tells it. Your belly has more cortisol receptors than other fat areas. That means stress directly targets your waistline more aggressively. This isn't random or unlucky, it's biological design at work. Your body thinks storing fat there helps protect vital organs. But in modern life, stress never truly disappears anymore. So cortisol remains elevated far longer than it should. That leads to constant fat storage instead of fat burning. Even when you eat less, the system still works against you. That's why traditional dieting often fails so many beginners. Because they're solving the wrong problem entirely from start. Cortisol also breaks down your muscle tissue over time. Muscle is your body's main engine for burning calories efficiently. Less muscle means slower metabolism and easier fat gain overall. So even eating small amounts can still lead to weight gain. At the same time, cortisol disrupts your hunger signals badly. It increases ghrelin, making you feel constantly hungry throughout day. It lowers leptin, which normally signals when you feel full. So you eat more without ever feeling truly satisfied. Cravings become stronger, especially for sugar and processed foods. And this cycle keeps repeating without you realizing why. Now here's where most beginners unknowingly make things worse. They decide to get serious and push themselves extremely hard. They cut calories drastically and increase workout intensity immediately. But both of those actions increase cortisol even further. Your body interprets restriction and exhaustion as additional stress signals. So it responds by holding onto fat even more tightly. You feel exhausted, frustrated, and stuck in the same place. The harder you try, the worse the results become over time. This creates a vicious cycle of effort without real progress. And eventually, many people just give up completely defeated. But the solution is surprisingly simple and incredibly powerful. You don't need extreme discipline, you need hormonal balance first. And the most important place to start is your sleep. Sleep is the foundation of cortisol control and fat loss success. When you sleep poorly, cortisol rises significantly the next day. Even one bad night can increase hunger and cravings dramatically. Your body enters survival mode instead of recovery and repair. Fat loss slows down, and energy levels drop noticeably fast. Everything becomes harder simply because sleep was not prioritized. So improving sleep creates the biggest immediate impact possible. Going to bed consistently trains your body's internal clock properly. Your cortisol rhythm depends heavily on your sleep-wake cycle daily. Irregular sleep patterns confuse your hormones and increase stress signals. A dark, cool room helps your body produce melatonin naturally. Melatonin is essential for deep, restorative, and uninterrupted sleep cycles. Avoid screens before bed because blue light delays sleep hormones. Eating late keeps insulin elevated when your body needs recovery. Stopping meals earlier allows your body to repair overnight better. These small changes create massive improvements within just weeks. And they require no extreme effort or complicated strategies. Your morning routine is equally important for controlling cortisol levels. Most people start their day already stressed without realizing it. They check phones immediately, flooding their mind with information overload. Emails, notifications, and news trigger instant stress responses mentally. This sets a high cortisol baseline for the entire day. Instead, give your brain a calm and controlled start. Step outside and expose yourself to natural morning sunlight daily. Sunlight resets your circadian rhythm and stabilizes hormone balance naturally. It improves mood, energy, and overall mental clarity significantly. This one habit alone can transform your entire daily experience. What you eat in the morning also matters significantly. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach spikes cortisol unnecessarily high. Instead, pair coffee with a balanced meal for better stability. Include protein and healthy fats to stabilize blood sugar levels. Eggs, yogurt, nuts, and avocado are excellent simple options. Stable blood sugar prevents sudden stress responses throughout the day. This keeps energy levels consistent and reduces unnecessary cravings later. Small changes here create smoother, calmer, and more controlled days. And consistency is what makes these habits truly powerful long-term. You're building a system, not chasing quick temporary results. Exercise should support your body, not stress it further. High-intensity workouts can increase cortisol if you're already overwhelmed. That's why walking is the best starting point for beginners. Walking burns fat efficiently without triggering additional stress responses. It improves insulin sensitivity and supports overall metabolic health gently. It's simple, sustainable, and easy to maintain every single day. You don't need intensity, you need consistency and recovery balance. Aim for steady daily movement rather than occasional extreme workouts. This approach works with your body instead of against it. And that's the key difference that drives long-term success. As your body adapts, you can slowly introduce resistance training. Strength training rebuilds muscle lost due to chronic stress exposure. More muscle increases metabolism and supports healthier fat loss processes. But keep workouts moderate and avoid pushing yourself excessively hard. You should feel energized after training, not completely exhausted afterward. Recovery matters just as much as the workout itself. Listen to your body instead of forcing unrealistic expectations daily. Progress happens when stress is managed, not constantly increased. This balanced approach produces results that actually last long term. And it protects your mental and physical health simultaneously. Nutrition also plays a critical role in controlling cortisol levels. Skipping meals or extreme dieting sends stress signals to brain. Your body reacts by increasing cortisol to maintain energy supply. Instead, focus on balanced meals spaced throughout your entire day. Include protein, fats, and carbohydrates together for stable digestion. Protein helps reduce hunger and supports muscle maintenance effectively. Healthy fats provide sustained energy and support hormone production naturally. Complex carbohydrates offer steady glucose without sharp spikes or crashes. This balance keeps your system calm and functioning efficiently. And calm systems are the ones that burn fat effectively. Reducing processed foods is also essential for long-term success. Refined sugars cause rapid spikes followed by energy crashes quickly. Each crash triggers cortisol release to restore blood sugar levels. This constant cycle keeps your body in stress mode daily. Whole foods provide steady energy and reduce unnecessary hormonal fluctuations. Hydration also matters because dehydration can increase cortisol levels subtly. Small habits like these compound into significant long-term improvements. You don't need perfection, just consistent better choices every day. And over time, those choices completely reshape your body naturally. That's the real power of sustainable fat loss strategies. Finally, you must actively reduce stress throughout your daily routine. Stress management is not optional, it's essential for real progress. Simple breathing exercises can lower cortisol within minutes effectively. Slow breathing activates your body's relaxation response immediately. Spending time outdoors also reduces stress and improves mental clarity. Limiting social media prevents unnecessary emotional and psychological overload daily. Your environment influences your body more than you realize. So create conditions that support calmness instead of constant stimulation. Because calm bodies lose fat, stressed bodies hold on to it. And this truth changes everything once you fully understand it. Now you have a complete system that actually works. It's simple, sustainable, and based on real biological principles. No extremes, no suffering, no unrealistic expectations or pressure. Just consistent habits that align with how your body functions. You were never lazy, broken, or incapable of success.